Toastmaster Shekhar Tankavel to open this meeting.
Thank you, Sergeant at Arms, Toastmaster Raj Mohan, for that warming introduction and that motivational story. I'm really motivated with the story. I still remember the day I came to this club for the first time as a guest, almost 3 years back, if I'm not wrong. In that meeting, our Sergeant at Arms Raj Mohan delivered a wonderful speech. Our Sergeant at Arms is a lovely human being and down-to-earth person. As a president, I am very lucky to have him in the ExCom and get introduced by him in each meeting. Today is the first meeting of 2020-21 term. We have already seen the strong commitment from our Sergeant at Arms. I'm sure he will maintain the same energy throughout the year. Let us give him a big round of virtual applause to our own Toastmaster Raj Mohan. Thank you. I'm humbled and privileged to welcome you all to Indian Club Toastmasters meeting number 381. Only 3 other clubs in Qatar have conducted more meetings than our club. Some clubs that were chartered before and after our club don't exist anymore. The fact that we have not just survived but have thrived reflects the remarkable work done by the past leaders of our club to take us to where we are today. I'm confident today marks the formal beginning of yet another glorious year for our club. On that note, I declare the meeting number 381 of Indian Club Toastmasters open. Thank you. It's time for me to introduce our guests. May I ask guests who have come for the first time to our club to briefly introduce themselves one by one by giving their name, what they do, and who has invited them to this meeting. Can I have guest Sushant?
Okay, myself Sushant, working as a civil engineer in Wabag project, and I am here in Qatar from last 9 years. In last week, just discussion with my friends, okay, to improve, to enhance our public speaking and our English. So that's why means I just then only we comes to know about this website. I have searched on internet, I have find out a number, and I have just WhatsApp, and then I joined here. It's really good to see all, and we really doing better job. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushant. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much for joining. We hope you enjoy the meeting and also take some valuable message to home. Thank you. For the benefit of first-time guests, Toastmasters International is the leading non-profit organization in the field of communication and leadership training. Toastmasters International formed in 1924. Worldwide, we are having more than 13,500 clubs. Toastmaster International's mission is we empower individuals to become more effective communicators and leaders. And the vision is to be the first choice provider of dynamic, high value, experiential communication and leadership skills development. Our own Indian Club Toastmasters was formed in October 2004. We meet on 2nd and 4th Wednesday of every month. Please enjoy today's meeting, and I will connect with you again during the business session towards the end of this meeting to get your feedback, Sushant. I'm an IT professional, and I'm very much fond of reading inspiring and interesting real life stories in the IT industry. Some years back, Sundar Pichai approached Google founders Larry Page and Sergey with his aspiration to develop a lightweight browser. Initially, they were skeptical, the founders, because Internet Explorer and Mozilla were already highly established in the market. But they agreed to give a shot. Sundar became a vice president of browser development team. In 2008, Google released the first version of the browser. It has been 12 years since then. As of May 2020, according to World Wide Web Consortium, which means WWW, as per them, 80.7% of the internet users are using Chrome browser. Hope you all agree with me. If you open your mobile, it's in Chrome. If you open your computer, Chrome browser. The right aspiration for the right reasons will lead to remarkable achievements for sure. Aspirations are significant, they are action oriented, and they should inspire every individual. It's a kind of action against fussy thinking. Let us aspire for amazing goals for ourselves and the club and work towards achieve them. As I said, club aspiration could be to see ourselves in the district events in all the 4 categories. Let's aspire, let's achieve our Indian Club Toastmasters. Now, it's a time for me to introduce our Toastmaster of the day, who will anchor today's meeting, by the way. By profession, she is a teacher, fast learner, and maybe she's very good in asking questions. If you interact with her, she'll be having numerous number of questions, and by the questions you'll be able to start thinking what kind of answers you need to give it to her. Recent days, I'm seeing that quality, I'm learning that quality from her, and she's very good human being and humbled and self-motivator herself. She's going to complete second path. Already she completed second path. She's going to finish her DTM in upcoming weeks. Without further delay, please put your hands together to welcome our Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Tripti Saha.